2 days ago, I used the AI skill that I created to ask ChatGPT to create an Obsidian learning map for me so that I can create a concept map for my business calculus class. I have never used Obsidian before. I just know that it's a tool that I can use to have linked notes, linked Markdown files, and it's very easy to visualize the links between the different notes as a map. So this is the raw version of doing it from beginning to the end. And today we are on day one. And as you can see here, this is the learning map that ChatGPT gave me. So the purpose is to learn Obsidian from zero and build a usable business calculus concept map vault in 1 week. The vault will hold concept notes, lecture notes, images, videos, related materials, extra revision recommendations, misconceptions, examples, and visual concept maps. So this is the type of guides that the skill can generate. So this is a LaTeX document. So first we are going to go to the important mental model. So they say that Obsidian is not exactly like Notion. We can think of it as a folder of markdown text files that become powerful because they are linked. So notes are local files. Links create the knowledge network. Backlinks show where a note is referenced. Graph view visualizes node-to-node links. Canvas gives you a hand-drawn concept map workspace. Tags classify notes. Properties store structured metadata. And attachments store images, PDFs, slides, and over file. Obsidian normal graph view shows notes as nodes and links as edges, but the regular graph does not try. But the regular graph does not truly label every edge with a relationship type. So for labeled relationships, such as is prerequisite for, is used in, or is a common misconception about, we use canvas connection label or write the relationship explicitly inside the node. I don't know what the canvas connection label is. So they say that so for official sources to use, we are going to use in this official Obsidian sources because they are stable, official, and directly relevant. And they didn't give me a link to video tutorial, so we are not going to be using that today. But they say that these are the phrases that I can use on YouTube after reading these pages. So I can ask for Obsidian beginner tutorial, links, tags, graph view. And this is my 1 week roadmap. It says that recommended pace is 60 to 90 minutes per day. And if I have more time, I should use it to build more notes, not to install plugins. So this is day one. We want to get Obsidian installed and clean business calculus vault. So the first things that we need to do is to download the Obsidian. So let's do that. So we do download for Windows. So I'm just going to put it in my download. And now we are going to go here to make sure that I have the download. I'm going to write check mark. Yes. So wait. So we are going to install it. So run. Next, install. And finish. So now we move the So we have installed the desktop app. So now we need to create a new vault called Business Calculus Concept. So I don't know how to do that. So they said I need to create the folder structure. I need to create a folder with the structure below. So let me just close the Overs tab so that we only have this. So they said that I need to create the folder structure below. So create new vault. Vault name is Business Calculus 2. And location, I know I want to put it in the folder called Documents. So select folder. So now I created it. And we are waiting. And they say, okay. Just here. I have a lot of stuff going on. So they say, we just move this into visual so that we can see this together here. So this is install the desktop app, create the vault called, I don't like this. Okay. So they say, create the folder structure below. So this is the structure. So I'm going to do dashboard.md. Okay. So this is node, create a link. I can do something, create. Okay. So welcome. I don't know what to do with this. Okay. So we need to find how do we create this folder, right? Okay, when you are ready, delete this note and make vault of your own. So we need to do dashboard.md, which looks like, you know what? Let's just do this into dashboard. Dashboard. Yeah. So it looks like it's here that we can do things. So it is dashboard.md, I hope so. And what is it, the things? Let me remove this. Okay. So we need to do student facing, which is a folder, I guess. So we're gonna go base, template. Okay, I think we get this. We have, okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Student facing. Okay, so we're gonna rename this as student facing. Okay, and then we have a folder called teacher preparation. Folder called units. Another folder called concept. Folder called examples. Another folder called misconceptions. A folder called media. And in the media, there's going to be things called images and attachment, which is part of media. And there are going to be videos, and videos is media, so I can drag and drop like this. That's super cool. And there is PDF and handouts. I'm gonna do that here. And PDF and handout is also part of media. And then I have this other things right here, which is assessments and revision. And then we can have canvas maps. We have templates. And we have archive. Oh, I copied something else. Oh, archive. I don't know where to look anymore. So now we've done the folder structure, and all right, so we go to teacher preparation, and on teacher preparation, I need to have a new note called dashboard. Yeah. So every folder is going to have a dashboard then. So we have dashboard. And in student starts, where is that? Okay. Did I forget something? Student facing. In the student facing, I need to, oh, so they want me to put so the student facing, I will need students start here. So this is the student facing, and I need to create a new node called student start here. That's the name of the thing. So student facing has student start here. And then I need to create the core plugin, which is GraphView, Canvas template backlink, page GraphView, Canvas template backlinks, page preview. How do we do that? So, okay, I think we are moving somewhere. I don't know, where are the plugins? Open GraphView, switcher, insert templates, collapse, files, GraphView, turn on. Is it like this? And GraphView, something like that. Is that what they mean by turn GraphView? Canvas. Template. Where are that? So they say, what do they mean by this? GraphView. So actually, I have no idea what they mean by turn on. We are here now. And I don't know what this means. Turn on core plugin. It's a GraphView is a core plugin that lets you visualize the relationship between nodes in your vault. What is a core plugin? Because I don't know what that is. So core plugin, this page is the core plugin that come installed with Obsidian. So core plugins are officially built and supported by the Obsidian team and are included within the application. So I don't need to install those. What they were saying here is that I need to turn them on. So they say, okay, so all corporate, there is an audio recorder. That's cool. Record and save video recording directly in a note. There is backlinks where you see all the links and all linked notes, and there are pages, custom views that let you edit, sort, and filters into their properties, bookmarks. Canvas is organized notes visually within an infinite space to lay out ideas. Comment palette, quickly access comments from your keyboard, daily notes to create an open note based on the current date. Oh, that's cool. File Explorer, footnote visual, the footnotes from the current view, graph view, visualize the relationship between notes involved, format converter, convert Markdown from other apps to Obsidian format. Note Composer, merge two notes or split them into two. I like that. This reminds me of Scrivener actually. Page preview, publish, post your note on website, wiki or documentation, properties views, quick switcher search, create and upload from keyboard, random notes, search, slash comments, perform comments in the editor, slides. Ooh, there is slides, tags view, template, insert predefined comment into your notes, unique note creator, create a unique notes using time-coded file, web viewer. Oh, you can open external links in Obsidian. Oh, okay. So what that still doesn't tell me how do I open those? So GraphView backlink page preview. So slate bookmark. Okay. Open GraphView. This is the GraphView. Oh. And this is the canvas. I still don't know how to use this. Oh, I just created a new notes. That's crazy. Okay. So these are the name. Okay, so we found graph view, we found canvas. Does this means? I'm really new to this. So you can have a template folder and create a notes, and the notes then. Oh, oh. Okay, so you can insert current time into the active notes. Okay. This is raw. This is raw, you guys. So visual note taking, it gives a fit layout notes and connect them to other notes and generates in 3D space. It's crazy. Crazy. I'm just asking like right now, like, why did I start doing it and why did I decided to record this? Okay, we know how to use GraphView. We got the idea of how to use Canva. Hi. Oh, so I can student start here. Oh, so this is like the note that I have. The student start here note can be, okay, so let's just take this. So we have this notes right here and ooh, I like this. This is what canvas are. So I have this. Do I need to? I don't know if I should be saving this or not. Graph view. Dashboard. I still don't know what this is. It's still like really new to me. The link. Oh, I can move them. Okay, so I get in. So we need to learn how to use Canvas. Okay. Now we need to do, okay, so I can open my vault, I can create the notes, I can create folders. I know where attachment will be stored. I have not a other system of plugin. I don't even know how to use a plugin. So yeah, need to do templates. So I went back to ChatGPT to download the starter template pack. Take this. Put it here. Now I get it. Okay. check all in document. So we have this, and let's delete this. So now we have this, and what we need to figure out right now how do we use that in the templates? We need to know templates, backlinks, page preview. That's what we need. That's what we need to do right now. So templates. Files list new template folder is configured. So we need to configure. How do you configure? So, oh, so default file to open, default location for new notes, default location for new attachment specified. So, okay. So what were we supposed to do again? So they say that, okay, I'm doing this out of order, but I need to set the default attachment folders to media, image, and attachments. Do I have it? Oh, images and attachments. Okay. Okay, that's done. So, oh, and I need to put the templates, which are, oh, okay. Looks like they already make the document for me, but okay, I got it. So here, I'm gonna put this here, and I'm just gonna copy everything here because I did not know that like the starter pack that ChatGPT gave me already had that everything that I need, but I needed to do it myself anyway. I need to learn to do it myself, and that's not crazy. So location for attachment. All right, so I did not know before that when they are asking me to turn on like core plugins, I was not asked to use anything. I just asked to go to this. So I just need to go to the setting and click turn on all of this. So yeah. So if we go to the day one milestone checklist, I definitely now can open my vault. I can create the notes. I can create a folder. I know where attachment will be stored. I have not overlaid it with system plugin, and I definitely not install community plugin. So that is it for day one. Let's put all of this square boxes into check marks.